Hello everyone, welcome back guys.
Hello everyone.
So students, in this video I will discuss remaining types of special equations. So start with this first question, that is x square plus y square less than equals to 36, right? And guys, इस वीडियो से पहले must watch video 3 of these threes, right? Because video 3 and video 4 एक दूसरे से related है. Got it? So question is x square plus y square less than equals to 36. As I have told you in the last video, how to solve basically how to find the integral solutions of this form, x square plus y square equals to r square, right? So but this is x square plus y square less than equals to 36. So you have to find the integral solutions of x square plus y square less than equals to 36. An interesting question, right? So as we know, the graph of this equation, that is x square plus y square equals to r square, is a circle. This is a standard equation of circle with center or with origin as center, right? So guys, draw a circle to get rough idea. So this should be like, give me a second. Right? So this is what x square plus y square less than equals to 36. So guys, you have to find the integral solutions. So अगर केवल equals to 36 होता, so xy should lie on the boundary of the circle. Xy should lie on the boundary of the circle. Basically, point should lie on the boundary of this circle. But here, it is equation is less than equals to. So basically, the solutions of this equation either lie on the boundary of this circle, either lie on the boundary of the circle, or inside the boundary, or inside the boundary. So guys, this is interesting question. So think in this way. So you have to follow proper order. Otherwise, things becomes complicated, right? Otherwise, things becomes complicated. So this is x square plus y square less than equals to 36. So if the equation like x square plus y square equals to 36, so how many solutions? One of the solutions should be 6 comma 0, this one 0 comma 6, minus 6 comma 0, and 0 comma minus 6. So if x square plus y square equals to 36, so 4 solutions that should lie on the boundary of this circle, right? And we know that x square plus y square equals to 6 square. So कोई भी triplet नहीं बनेगा 6 के साथ, right? So only 4 solution according to this equation. So 4 equation. Sorry, 4 solution according to this equation is there are 4 points lie on the boundary of the circle that fulfill this equation. Got it? So now, but the equation is x square plus y square less than equals to 36. Less than 36 means you have to find the integer points that should lie inside the circle. That should lie inside the circle. It's integer points means like point is what? Point is defined by two coordinates x and y. So xy should be integer. Means you have to find the points inside the circle that fulfill this condition, right? So now think in this way. So guys, first find the coordinates. First find the points on the axis, means x axis and y axis. पहले मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि to find the points on the axis that fulfill this condition कि like this is origin origin means 0 comma 0 means x0 y comma 0. So when x is 0 y is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, that is less than 36, means one of the solution is the coordinates of origin, right? So 0 comma 0, then 1 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 3 comma 0, 4 comma 0, 5 comma 0 and 6 comma 0, right? Except origin, how many points on positive x-axis, how many points on positive x-axis? 6 points, right? 5 inside the boundary, 6 and 1 point on the boundary, right? Similarly, on positive y-axis, how many points? 0 comma 1, 0 comma 2, 0 comma 3, 0 comma 4, 0 comma 5 and 0 comma 6. This 0 comma 6 is on the boundary of the circle, right? So on positive y-axis, how many solutions? 6 solutions that fulfill this condition. Like this point is 0 comma 1, means x is 0, y is 1, 0 square is 0, 1 square is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, that is less than 36, right? So 6 solutions on this positive y-axis. Similarly, so guys, this is a symmetric figure, origin center. So if 6 solutions on positive x-axis, so 6 solutions should be on positive, sorry, 6 solutions should be on negative x-axis. Similarly, 6 solutions on positive y-axis, so 6 solutions should be on negative y-axis, like coordinates minus 1 comma 0, minus 2 comma 0 and up to minus 5 comma 0, right? And one solution should be minus 6 comma 0. So how many points? 6 points means 6 solutions that fulfill the given condition, right? And similarly, 6 points on negative y-axis means 0 comma minus 1, 0 comma minus 2, 0 minus 2 comma minus 5 and 0 comma minus 6. So these 5 points inside the boundary and 1 point on the circle, on the boundary. Got it, guys? So guys, there are 4, basically in terms of positive negative, 4 axis means positive x positive y, negative x negative y, means on one axis in terms of positive negative means 6 solutions. So the total solution should be 4 into 6. Kitna? 4 into 6. Is side 6, is side 6, 6, 6 means 4 into 6. Total 24. Right? Now, and one solution, this point. Which one is origin? ये भी तो solution है ना, 0, 0. One solution is 0, 0 means origin. Right? Now consider this first quadrant, means you have to find the integral solutions. ठीक है? Basically work on the integral solutions that are in the first quadrant, this is first quadrant, guys, this is second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, inside the boundary and inside the boundary and in first quadrant, find the number of integral solution inside the boundary and in first quadrant, right? And one more thing, बाउंड्री पे कोई नहीं मिलेगा, बाउंड्री पर कोई सॉल्यूशन नहीं मिलेगा इंटीग्रल, क्यों? कोई ट्रिपलेट नहीं है, कोई ट्रिपलेट नहीं, ट्रिपलेट होता तब मिलता, राइट? So if x is 1, let's say x is 1, y belongs to, y can be 1 to fulfill the given condition ki x square plus y square less than equals to 36, right? Y can be 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we take y as 6? Can we take y as 6? No. Because when we take y as 6, 6 square is 36 plus 1. X square is y square. 36 plus 1 is 37. That should be more than 36, right? Which is more than 36. So we cannot take 6. So we can take y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 values. So x is y, y1, y can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So how many solutions? How many solutions? 5 solutions. How many solutions? 5 solutions, right? Now come to next point. When x is 2, guys, when x is 2, y can be 1, 2, 3, that fulfill this condition. 1, 2, 3, 4, ठीक है, 5. So guys, when x is 2 means 2 square, right? 5 square. Give me a second. Guys, when x is 2, means 2 square plus y square. Y can be 5 square, means 5 square is 25. 5 square is 25. 2 square is 4. 4 plus 25 is 29. 29 is less than 29 is less than 36. So we can take y equals to 5, but we cannot take y equals to 6, right? So how many solutions? 5 solutions. How many solutions? 5 solutions. Guys, when x equals to 3, guys, when x equals to 3, we can take y as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Because 5 square is 25 plus 9. 25 plus 9 is 34. 25 plus 9 is 34. So that is possible. So means how many solutions? 5 solutions. 5 solutions. Guys, when x is 4, when x is 4, y can be 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Can we take 4? This 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. Yes, possible. X square means 4 square is 16. Y is 4. 4 square is 16. 16 plus 16 is 32. That is less than 36. That is possible. But we cannot take 5 in this case because 5 square is 25 plus 16. वो exceed कर जाना है 36 से. Not possible. Means 4 solutions. Right. So guys, this one. When x equals to 5, y belongs to 1 possible, 2 possible, 3. 25 plus 9 is 34. That is possible, but we cannot take 4 here. But we cannot take 4 here because 4 square is 16 plus 25. Okay, more than 36, right? So how many solutions? 3 solutions. 3 solutions. So when you add these numbers, what we'll get? 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15 plus 4, 19 plus 3, 22. So guys, there are 22 solutions inside the boundary of the circle and in first quadrant. It's 22 in this one, and this is symmetric figure. So 22 in this one region, and 22 in this region, and 22 in this region, right? Like when x is -1, negative is possible, na? This is x square and y square. So when x is -1, you will get y these values. Again, when x is -2, you will get y 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. Again, when x is -1, you can take y -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Means when both negative means third quadrant. When x positive, y negative means fourth quadrant. So how many values? How many solutions? Basically 22 4 times, right? 22 4 times. So basically it comes out to be 24 plus 1 plus 22 into 4. 22 into 4, that comes out to be 88. So total number of solution comes out to be 24 plus 1 plus 28. When you add these numbers, 80 plus 2 is 100. 8 plus 5 is 13. 113. 113 solutions, right? Good question, guys. Now, the conclusion of the story here is basically the number of solutions is what? 4 into 6 means 6 solution on this axis means 4 axis. Basically in terms of positive negative, वैसे तो दो ही एक्सेस होते हैं, ठीक है. 4 into x 24. Similarly 22 solution in first quadrant inside the boundary means there are 4 quadrants, means 4 into 22 means 88 solutions plus 1. So guys, this is multiple of 4, this is multiple of 4, this is plus 1. So answer should be in this case answer should be in this form, is 4k plus 1. Answer should be in this form always according to the given question, is 4k plus 1. So guys, if the options are like, if this number is 26 means 112, 26, 88, 130. So there is no need to solve this question. There is no need to solve this question by this method. You can directly pick the answer as 113, because among these 4 numbers 112, 26, 88 and 113, there is only one option that is multiple of, that is in this form 4k plus 1, means multiple of 4 plus 1, right? That is 113. So option D is the right choice. बट अगर 25 भी है तो यू कैन सी कि 22 ये है और बाकी इतने सारे सॉल्यूशन तो मिल ही रहे हैं, तो आंसर शुड बी मोर देन 25, सो इट इज ओनली 113 अकॉर्डिंग टू द ऑप्शंस, राइट? गुड क्वेश्चन गाइस। सो ऑप्शंस देख के एक बार ये भी सोच लिया करें। So this is the second variety of special equations, basically second type of equation, special equations. This is 1 by x plus 1 by y equals to 1 by 14. So guys, first I am going to explain this method, this question with the traditional method. Then I will give you a shortcut to deal with such type of questions, right? You can answer such questions within 30 seconds, at max 30 seconds, right? But you have to know the concept behind this. So guys, what to do in such type of questions? So first, listen to me carefully, but there is no need of this method, but आना चाहिए, ठीक है, इसलिए बता रहा हूँ. So guys, take the LCM. What we'll get y plus x plus xy equals to 1 by 14, right? So it becomes 14x plus 14y minus xy equals to 0. This is what 14x. I have already told you how to deal with such equations in algebra class, basically in algebra maxima minima class, right? So guys, 14x, we can write it as take y common. What will get 14 minus x equals to 0. So guys, first, so in such type of equations, try to write down the equation in terms of product of the factors, right? So what to do to write it as in the product of the factors. So this is 14 minus x. This is 14 minus x. So what we'll do, just add minus 196 left hand side and minus 196 right hand side, right? So it becomes 14x minus 196, right? Or you can write it as इसको ले लो, हाँ, got it, plus y 14 minus x equals to minus 196. When you take 14 common, it becomes x minus 14. X minus 14. So guys, take minus x common, so it becomes 14 minus y. So this is what x minus 14 equals to minus 196. So it becomes what x minus 14 into 14 minus x, or you can write it as x minus 14 into y minus 14 equals to 196, right? So this is the equation. So guys, you know, I have told you how to deal with such equation in the last video, right? The product of two numbers, one is x minus 14 and this is y minus 14 is 196. So what to do next? You have to break this number 196, okay, or you have to write down this number 196 as the product of two numbers, so that we can compare left hand side to right hand side, right? So you have to write down this 196 as the product of two numbers, because this left hand side is what x into x minus 14 into y minus 14, right? So to write down this number 196 as a product of numbers, you must know the factors of 196. Basically factorization kar le, you can easily write down the numbers then, right? So 196 is what the factors, basically 196 is 14 square. 14 square means 14 into 14, 14 into 14, right? So this is 2 into 7, 2 into 7, 2 square into 7 square, right? The number of factors of 196 is what? Number of factors of 196 comes out to be 9. So basically, so we can write down 196 as the product of two numbers as प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन किया कि व्हाट विल गेट 1 into 196, और डायरेक्टली भी सोच सकते थे, बट किसी पर्पस से मैंने फैक्टर कराए हैं आपको सॉल्व, 1 into 196 and take 2 on left hand side. So remaining numbers became 2 into 49 means 198. Sorry, 98. When you take 4 common, so it becomes 4 into 7 square means 4 into 49. We can also write it as 7 into, because with the help of this we can easily break this number 196 as a product of two numbers, right? 7 into 4 into 7, 28, and 14 into 14, 14 into 14, right? So guys, first question is you have to find the positive integral solutions. You have to find the positive integral solutions. So guys, first choose this one, 1 into 196. Let's say x minus 14 into x minus 14, sorry, y minus 14 equals to 196. Take this one, 1 into 196, 1 into 196, right? So when you compare these two, means x minus 14 equals to 1, you will get x is 15. And when you compare these two, what you will get, x minus y minus 14 is equals to 196. Y comes out to be 196 plus 14, that should be 210, right? So this is one of the integral solution, right? So guys, 1 into 196 is 196, so we can also write it as like 196 into 1 na, 196 into 1, both are different things, तो हमें दूसरा इंटीग्रल सॉल्यूशन मिलेगा 196 into 1. So when you compare these two, means x minus 14 equals to 196, you will get different value of x. And when you take y minus 14, this is y minus 14, y minus 14 equals to 1, what you will get, you will get, अब इसमें क्या मिलेगा, y minus 14 equals to 1, what you will get, y equals to 15, and in this case you will get x as 210. These are two integral solutions. So, and these are two positive integral solutions, because in the first question you have to find positive integral solution. This xy should be positive, right? अगर किसी के माइंड में आता है कि सर आपने ये क्यों नहीं लिया कि -1 into minus 196, that is also 196 now. So guys, when you take x minus 14 equals to -1, x should be 13, x should be 13, but when you compare these two, y minus 14 equals to minus 196, you will get y a negative number. Y क्या मिलेगा, एक negative number, but you have to find a positive integral solutions in first one. So we'll not consider this one to find positive integral solutions, right? This one, -1 into 1 minus 196 and minus 196 into -1, right? We'll not consider these two to find positive integral solutions, because in when you compare these two with x minus 14 and y minus 14, you will get integral solution, not positive integral solutions, right? So for positive integral solutions, so when you choose this one, we'll get two solutions. हमें दो solution मिलेंगे according to 1 into 196. एक होएगा 1 into 196 and 196 into 1. We'll get two solutions. When you choose this one, 2 into 98, again two solutions. Basically two positive integral solution. When you choose this one, you'll get two positive integral solution for this one too. But for this one, 14 into 14 and 14 into same thing now. So for this one, we'll get only one positive integral solution. So total number of positive integral solution comes out to be 4 times 2, 8 plus 1, 9. How much? How many? 9. Right. Next is how many integral solutions are possible? How many integral solutions are possible? So guys, for integral solutions, these are for positive integral solutions. And for integral solutions, so this is what 1 into, we have four choices here, right? कि कौन कौन सा 1 into 196, 196 into 1, minus 196 into -1, and -1 into 196. So for this one, we have four integral solutions. Integral means xy can be negative, right? So for this one, four solutions. For integral, for this one, four integral solutions, right? मालूम है क्यों? उससे चार मिलेंगे ना, कि एक ये दो ये, ठीक है? For this one, four integral solutions. Now for this one, most of the student make a mistake here. For this one, most of the student consider two solutions, but for this one, only one solution. Why only one solution? Because माइंड में तो आया होगा कि x minus 14 into y minus 14 equals to 196. So sir, we can take plus 14 into plus 14 and minus 14 into minus 14, right? But मैं कह रहा हूँ कि only one solution. So guys, when you choose this one, second one, x minus 14 equals to minus 14, x comes out to be 0. And when you choose y minus 14 equals to minus 14, y comes out to be 0. But the equation is 1 by x and plus 1 by y, right? X and y are in denominator. X and y are in denominator. So we cannot take x and y as 0 because denominator cannot be 0, right? So here only one possible solution. Only one possible solution. So total number of integral solution comes out to be 4 times 4 means 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1, 17. 16 plus 1, 17. So answer is 17, right? Answer is 17. Got it, guys? So this is the method to solve such questions, right? But ये सब हम एग्जाम में नहीं कर सकते हैं. So what to do? So come to the shortcut, guys. Let's say if the equation is like this, कि a by x plus b by y plus 1 by c plus 1 by c, right? If the equation is this, so first one, for number of basically positive number of positive integral solutions, number of positive integral solutions, what we will do, number of positive integral solutions, first of all, guys, number of positive integral solutions should be equals to number of factors of this one, this number of factors of this number n. That is what? That is a into b into c square. That is what? A into b into c square, right? So guys, number of positive integral solution equals to number of factors of n equals to a into b into c square. A is this one, means b is this one, c is this one, right? Basically in this question, a is what? A is 2, b is 3 and c is 12, right? In the last question, a is 1, b is 1, c is 14, right? So number of positive integral solution should be equals to number of factors of this number, that is a into b into c square. So guys, let's say the number of factors of this number be k. कितने ले लेता हूँ k? K is denotes what? K denotes number of factors of this number, right? So guys, for second one, for number of integral solutions, what to do? For number of integral solutions should be equals to 2 times of k minus 1. 2 times of k minus 1, right? 2 times of k minus 1. Got it? 2 times of k minus 1. So guys, so here number is what? Here number is, in this case, number is what? A into b, c square means a is 1, b is 1, c square means 14 square. 14 square. That is 196. 196. Right? तो 196 आया यहाँ पर. तो डायरेक्टली हमें कितने फैक्टर्स मिले? 9. तो देयर इज नो नीड टू डू ऑल दीज थिंग्स. डायरेक्टली फाइंड द नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 196 और मैंने फाइंड भी किया है. सो गाइस, नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 196 कितना है? नंबर ऑफ फैक्टर्स ऑफ 196 9. There are 9 factors of 196. There are 9 factors of 196. K here is 9. There are 9 factors of 196. So the answer of first one is 9 directly. Answer of first one is 9 directly. And the answer of second one is what? 2k minus 1. Guys, what? 2k minus 1 means 2 into 9. 2 into 9 minus 1 means 18 minus 1, 17 directly. 17. Got it, guys? Clear? तो इसी तरह से आप इसको सिंप्लीफाई करोगे ना, तो कुछ इस तरह वही आ जाएगा. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करके मींस x माइनस समथिंग इनटू y माइनस समथिंग इक्वल्स टू दिस नंबर. तो उसके फैक्टर्स करने पड़ेंगे आपको, राइट? तो डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करेंगे अब दिस फॉर्मूला. विल डायरेक्टली अप्लाई दिस फॉर्मूला टू सॉल्व सच टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. देयर इज नो नीड. यू कैन आल्सो सॉल्व ट्रेडिशनली बाय दिस मेथड, बट देयर इज नो नीड ना, because we know the formula to deal with such questions. So question number 29 is what? Question number 29. 2 by x plus 3 by y equals to 1 by 12, equals to 1 by 12, right? So guys, here a is 1, sorry, here a is 2, b is 3, and c is 12. So number is what? A into b into c square is 12 square. So number comes out to be, so there is no need to find number, just write down the number in prime factorization form, right? The 12 square is what? 4 into 3. 12 is 4 into 3 is 2 square into 3 power 1 into 2. So it comes out 2 square, 2 square power 2 means 2 power 4 into 2 power 1, it comes out to be 2 power 5. 3 power 2 into 3 power 1 means 3 power 3. So the number is 2 power 5 into 3 power 3. So directly write down the number in prime factorization form, right? Prime factorization form में लिखिए, things becomes easy. So guys, number of positive integral solution should be number of factors of this number, number of factors of this number. So guys, number of factors comes out to be, and we assume कि number of factors is k. So k should be equals to प्राइम फैक्टर्स की पावर जो होती है पावर प्लस 1 into पावर प्लस 1 into पावर प्लस 1. 5 plus 1 is 6 and 3 plus 1 is 4. So 24. So total number of factors of this number is 24. So the answer of first one, how many positive integral solutions are possible? 24. 24. And for integral solution, use this formula. What we'll get? We'll get 2 into 24 minus 1. Means 48 minus 1. That comes out to be 47. Directly. 47. Got it, guys? So easy. So number of positive integral solution. Remember this formula, right? The number of positive integral solution, number of factors of this one, and for number of integral solutions, 2k minus 1. K is what? Number of factors of this number. So come to this question. So this is little bit different. This is little bit different. This is what 2 by, the last question was 2 by x plus 3 by y plus, this is positive sign, plus 3 by y equals to 1 by 12. And this is what 2 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1 by 12, equals to 1 by 12. So guys, give me a minute. चलो यहाँ कर लेते हैं, कोई नहीं. If the question is like a by x minus b by y equals to 1 by c, equals to 1 by c. So guys, so first one, for positive integral solution, positive integral solutions, positive integral solution, and the second one is integral solutions, integral solutions. So guys, again, number is n is what? This number a into b into c square, in number of factors of n, number of factors of n, let's say k, number of factors of n, let's say k, right? So guys, to find the number of integral solution in this case, so number of integral solution should be equals to 2 into k minus 1. So no change, कोई change नहीं आएगा. If this one a by x plus b by equals to 1 by c, number of integral solution 2k minus 1. K is what? Number of factors of this number, right? So if this is like 2 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1 by 12, number integral solution, again same formula, that is 2k minus 1. Here k is number of factors of this number. So positive negative है, there is no change in number of integral solutions, कोई change नहीं आएगा in integral solution. हाँ, अगर obviously numerical value change करेगा तो question become different ना, तो right. So but there is a change in positive integral solutions, positive integral solutions. So guys, number is same, the question is same, question is same. So number is what? Number is 2 into 3 a into b c square 12 square. I think that is what? That is 2 power 5 into 3 cube. 2 power 5 into 3 cube. 2 power 5 into 3 cube. Number of factors of n comes out to be 6 into 4, 24. 24. So the number of interior solution should be same. 47 means 2 into 24 minus 1. That comes out to be 47. Okay, positive negative way, there is no change in interior solution, right? So come to the positive interior solution. So guys, in case of negative, in case of negative, number of positive integral solution should be equals to number of factors of n, number of factors of n, and n is equals to what? A into b into c square. A into b into c square. Number of factors of n that are that are less than that are less than that are less than a into c, that are less than a into c, that are less than a into c. A is what? Coefficient of 1 by x. C is what? Constant term, right? Means 1 upon the denominator mein hai, that is c. Got it? So when there is a negative sign, so number of positive integer solution, number of positive integer solution should be equals to number of, give me a second. So for positive integer solutions, in case of negative sign, that should be equals to number of factors of this number that are less than a into c, that are less than a into c. And in case of positive, number of positive integer solution should be equals to number of factors only of this number, right? Means k. Got it? Now come to this question. So integer solution should be 47 in this case. Integer solution should be 47 in this case. Now come to the positive integer solution. Positive integer solution. So guys, listen to me carefully. So 2 by x minus 3 by y equals to 1 by 12, equals to 1 by 12, right? So number is what? Number is 2 power 5 into 3 cube. So you have to find the number of factors of this number that are less than what? A into c, a into c. A is 2, a is 2, c is 12, a is 2, c is 12. 2 into 12 is 24, 24. So basically, the answer of first part is the number of factors of this number that are less than 24, that are less than 24. So now you have to find the factors that are less than 24 manually, right? Like one of the factor of this number that is less than 24 should be 1, 1. First choose this one, 2 power 5. So the other factors, 2, 2 is less than 24 and 2 is the factor of this number. 2 power 2 means 4. 4 is one of the factor of this number and less than 24. 2 cube. 2 cube is 8. 2 cube is 8. 8 is one of the factor of this number is less than 24. 2 power 4 is 16. 16 is one of the factor of this number and less than 24. 2 power 5 is 32, but 32 is more than 24. Right? Now come to this 3 power 3. So 3 power 0 is 1. Is considered earlier. 3 power 1 is 3. One of the factor of this number less than 24. 3 power 1 is 3. 3 power 2 is 9. This is one of the factor less than 24. 3 cube is 27, which is more than 24. We will not consider 27, right? Now combine these two. With the help of these two, what we'll get? 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 4 into 3, 12. 4 into 3, 12. 8 into 3, 24. But 24 is equals to 24, not less than 24, right? Next, 3 square into 2. 9 into 2, 18. एंड 3 2 4 हो चुका है 9 3 9 8 ज्यादा हो जाना है got it guys. So these are the factors of this number that are less than a into c, or you can say 24, right? So how many factors? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 10. That is the answer of this question, 10. So how many possible integer solutions are possible? 10 10 positive integer solutions are possible. Got it guys? So this is the way to solve such questions. Now this question is for you. So guys, as I have already told you, pause the video first to get the better advantage of these videos. First pause the videos and try to solve the questions by yourself, then watch the solutions only, right? So this is the question, that is 4 by x minus 9 by y equals to 1 by 13. use the same formula because there is a negative sign between these two, 4 by x and 9 by y. So first to 4 number comes out to be a into b, 4 into 9 into c square. C is 3 square. So 2 is 4 is 2 is square. This is 3, 9 is 3 square into 3 square. So number comes out to be 2 square into 3 power 4. Number, this is the number. So number of factors of n, let's say k equals to what? 2 power 2, 2 power 2 power is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, 3 power is 4, 4 plus 1 is 5, 15. There are 15 factors of n, right? So for this one, how many integral solutions? So easy. 2 into 15 minus 1, 30 means 29. 29 is the answer of this second one, right? Chaliye. And how many positive integer solutions are positive for this one? Positive integer solutions. So answer it should be number of factors of n. N is what? 2 square into 3 power 4. That are less than a into c. A is 4. A is 4. 3 is 2. A is 4. C is 3. That are less than 12. So guys, find the number of factors of n that are less than 12. One of the factors should be 1, 2 power 1, 2 square is 4, 1 to 4 less than 12, right? Similarly, choose this one. What will get? 3 power 1 is 3. 3 is one of the factor of n less than 12. 3 square is 9, right? 9 is less than 12. And the factor of this one. 3 cube is 27. Not possible. So combination 2 into 3 is 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 4, 3, 12. Not possible. Means these factors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not possible, 6 आ चुका है, 7 not possible, 8 not possible, 8 is not the factor of this one, 9 आ चुका है already, 10 not possible, 11 not possible. So how many factors? So basically how many positive integer solutions are possible? So 6 positive integer solutions are possible. Means how many factors? How many factors of this number that are less than 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 factors हैं जो कि less than 12 हैं. So the answer of this one should be equals to 6, because as we know the number of positive integer solution should be equals to number of factors of this number that are less than AC, that is 6. So answer of this one is 6. This is 29. Got it, guys? So easy. So guys, without this formula, if we do not know this formula, this question becomes too complicated, right? You have to do a lot of things. It will take a lot of time. So remember this formula. With the help of this formula, you can solve such questions easily, definitely. And honestly, and guys, एक क्वेश्चन तो आ सकता है किसी ना किसी एग्जाम में, पक्का मिलेगा इससे, जो भी लास्ट वीडियोस में किया है. Got it? Now come to this one. This is the next type of this one. Next writing question. This is what? 1 by root x plus 1 by root y equals to 1 by root 28. 1 by root 28. So first solve this one, root 28. Root 28 is what? 4 into 7 is 28. What will get? 2 root 7. 2 root 7. Right? 2 root 7. So we can write it as 1 by root x plus 1 by root y equals to 1 by 2 root 7. Got it? So you have to find the integral solutions. You have to find the integral solutions in this case, right? So well, as you can see, the x and y are in root, and on right side this is root 7. So guys, you need integral solution. So for integral solution, you must remove this root, means this root x, root y, root हटाना पड़ेगा आपको, and you must remove this root 7, because अगर root 7 मिला right side, so integral solutions not possible. So there are two. You have two target now. You have to target. First, you have to remove this root, means on x and y, and you also have to remove this root 7, because root 7 रहेगा. अगर ये आपने केवल रूट x और y को इंटीजर मींस रूट हटा भी दिया, बट यहाँ रूट 7 रहेगा राइट हैंड साइड, सो इंटीजर सॉल्यूशन तब भी नहीं मिलना है, राइट. सो गाइस, what to do, so think logically. So to remove this root 7 and to remove these two roots, what to do? So guys, you have to assume some values of x and y, right? Like assume x as, let the value of x be, let's say 7a square, 7a square, and y be 7b square. Now put the value of x and y in this equation. What we will get? We will get x is 7a square and y is what? Y is 7b square equals to 1 by 2 root 7. 1 by 2 root 7, right? So this becomes root 7a plus 1 upon root 7b equals to 1 upon 2 root 7. This root 7, root 7, root 7 cancel out. It becomes 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1 by 2, right? So you have to find the integral solution. Now you can easily solve this question. Guys, I've already discussed two questions based on this type. I've already discussed two questions based on this type. You have to find the integral solution. Just apply this 2k minus 1. You will get the answer easily, right? Now, if the question is like this, take one more example, like 1 by root x plus 1 by root y equals to 1 by root 99. So guys, here you also have to target. Let's say 1 by root x first plus 1 by root y. Write it as 1 upon 11 into 9. 9 root 9 is 3. Is root 11. Root 99 is what? Root 9 into 11 is 99. It's 3 into root 11. So guys, to target, you have to remove this square root. रूट हटाना है और यहाँ से रूट y हटाना पड़ेगा to get integral solutions. So what to do? Take x as 11a square and y as 11b square. Solve this. What you will get? I think it comes out to be 1 by a plus 1 by b equals to 1 by 3. Solve this. Now you can easily solve this. You can easily find the number of integral solutions now, right? So this is the next type. Got it, all of you? So these are some varieties of special equation questions. So this is the last question of this video. Some varieties. So the question is 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 12. How many pairs of positive integers x and y? How many pairs of positive x and y are possible? Basically, you have to find number of solutions, and x and y belongs to positive integers. Positive integers. You have to find the number of solutions. Positive integer solutions, right? Guys, but here we cannot apply the formula. In this case, we cannot apply the formula. Why we cannot apply the formula here? Because there is a restriction on y. There is a restriction on y, or you can say this is a conditional. Basically, this is a case of conditional. Statement, right? Because it is given that y is an odd number less than 60. Y is an odd number less than 60. So guys, in such type of question, you cannot apply the formula because there is a restriction on y, right? So what to do? What to do to solve such type of questions? So you have to think logically to solve such type of questions, right? This is what 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 12. And I have solved many questions of similar type in my class, right? This is what 1 by x plus 4 by y equals to 1 by 12. So we can write it as 1 by x equals to 1 by 12 minus 4 by y. So 1 by x equals to y minus 12 into 4 is 48. upon 12y, right? So x should be 12y upon y minus 48, y minus 40. Write it here. X equals to what? 12y upon y minus 48. Huh? So guys, it is given that y is an odd number, y is an odd number less than 60. And it is also given that x and y, you have to find the positive integer solution, means xy should be positive integers. Xy should be positive integers and should be positive, right? So guys, the numerator part is 12y, so y should be positive. So 12y means the numerator value should be positive now. Positive. Hey, he basically 12 into y is a positive number, positive integer. 12y is positive. So x is also a positive integer. So basically the ratio of these two, numerator and denominator, should be positive because x is positive. And we know that numerator is positive here. So this y minus 48 should be positive. This y minus 48 should be positive. That means y minus 48 should be greater than 0. That simply means y should be greater than 48. Otherwise x negative हो जाएगा. That is not possible here. So y is greater than 48. Y is greater than 48, odd number and less than 60. Y is greater than 48, odd number and less than 60. The possible values of y are 49, 51. We cannot take 50 because y is an odd number. 49, 50, 53, 55, 57 and 59. Y is less than 60. Got it? 49, 51, 53, 55, 57, 59. So guys, these are possible values of y, but we cannot take all the values because x should be positive integer also, right? X को भी देखना है ना, x भी positive integer होना चाहिए. So what to do next? So equation is what? X equals to 12y upon y minus 48, right? So guys, when you take y equals to 49, what we'll get? 12 into 49 upon 49 minus 48 is 1. So x is what? 12 into 49, that is positive integer. So we'll consider this 49 by 49 because 49 पर x integer मिल रहा है, right? When you take y as 51, means 12 into 51 upon 51 minus 48 is 3. 3, 4, 12, 4 into 51, x. B is पे integer मिल रहा है. We'll take this value, consider this value, right? When you take y as 53 means 12 into 53 upon 53 minus 48 is 5. 12 into 53 by 5. This is not an integer. This is not an integer, so we will not consider 53, right? Because this x integer nahi mila. For y as 55 means 12 into 55 upon 55 minus 48 is 7. Huh? So 12 into 55 by 7, not an integer. Elements out, right? We will not consider 55. So when y is 57, 12 into 57, x should be 12 into 57 upon 57 minus 48 means 9. So when you solve this, 339, 3, 4, 12 and 313, 3, 9, 27. X comes out to be 4 into 19, right? 4 into 90, that is an integer. So we'll consider y equals to 47. But when you take y equals to 49, 59, because we have to check only these values, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When you take y equals to 59, means 12 into 59 upon 59 minus 48 means 11. This is not an integer, right? We will not consider this one. So we'll get the positive integral solutions at three values. Y means 49, 51, 57 is for x integer. So answer of this question is 3. So how many positive integer solution? 3 positive integer solution, right? Guys, interesting question. So guys, I have covered all the cases and basically all the problems of special equations, right? और बाकी मैंने classes में कराया है. So in next class I will discuss different variety of questions. Basically in next video I will discuss maxima minima question, basically based on graph, right? In video number 5th. Next class I will discuss like miscellaneous questions of algebra, and so on, right? So I hope you will like this session. In next class, I will discuss such questions, right? We let fx equals to maximum of 2x plus 1 comma 3 minus 4x, and so on. These questions. So guys, that's all. Okay, we'll meet in the next video. So bye bye everyone. Take care. Thank you.